Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. I hope all of you fine. Today we are discussing single value decomposition, singular value decomposition. Actually, this is a decomposition of any matrix. So today we will discuss. First, I want to share with you diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? What is diagonal matrix? A square matrix A is said to be diagonal matrix if ai is not equal to 0 and ai is equal to 0 with I not equal to a. It means that all diagonal entries are not equal to 0 and all diagonal entries are different, and other entries are 0 except diagonal entries. It means that all diagonal entries are non-zero and other are 0. So it's called diagonal matrix. What is orthonormal vector? Orthonormal vector. Two vectors u and v are orthonormal if its dot product into itself is equal to 1 and with difference equal to 0. It means u dot u is equal to 1, v dot v equal to 1, and with difference u dot v equal to 0 and v dot u is equal to 0. Next is orthogonal vector. A square matrix A is said to be orthogonal matrix. What is square matrix? Square matrix, a matrix in which number of rows equal to number of column, is called square matrix. If A transpose A equal to A, in A transpose equal to identity, or if we apply on both sides this one and this one A inverse, then we get this equation. Then we called a square matrix is called orthogonal if it satisfies this condition or this one, where I is identity matrix of same order to this matrix A. For example, every rotational matrix is orthogonal matrix. Every rotational matrix is orthogonal matrix. There is a beautiful information. We can find only eigenvalue and eigenvector of only real symmetric matrix. Actually, I am interested in real values. So, if the A matrix is symmetric, then we can find real value of eigenvalue. Otherwise, we can get complex value. What is single value decomposition? Singular value decomposition, every m cross n matrix, it means doesn't matter of order of A, is factored into this one. A equal to u dvt is called singular value decomposition. So I want to tell you about u, d and v transpose. Where u is m cross m orthogonal matrix, m is equal to this m, d is m cross n diagonal matrix, this m cross n, and v is n cross n orthogonal matrix, this one, this related to this n. Orthogonality of u and v mean that u into v transpose equal to identity and v into v transpose equal to identity, where I is identity matrix of 3 by 3 or m cross m or n cross n. 3 by, m cross m for u and n cross n for v, where the column of u and v are orthonormal. It means that if we take the dot product of same row, then we get answer 1. If we take ui represent the first column of u and uj is first jth column. If you take the dot product of this one, then we get 0. It means that this is a condition of orthogonality, orthonormal, where I not equal to 0. Similarly for v. Single value decomposition provide another way to factorize a method I also tell you about into a singular vector v and the singular value sigma. These are called singular value sigma. The singular value decomposition allows us to discover some of the same kind of information as eigen decomposition. Why we call eigen decomposition? Because first we calculate the eigenvalue, then we calculate eigenvector, then we can calculate A, U, D and V transpose. The SVD provide the SVD is used extensively in the control community to examine the dynamic behavior of system. What is the behavior of system? Extensive control community to examine the behavior of system. SVD is one component of linear system theory that has developed into a very mature mathematical tool for extending system. What is the linear system theory of one component? Immediately, it is a single method of linear system, because we have hundred of methods, infinity methods which we solve linear equation, but SVD is a single one. There are 4 steps to calculate single division of any matrix A, first we'll calculate the eigenvalue of A transpose, A into A transpose or A transpose into A. Secondly, calculate eigenvector corresponding to eigenvalue. Then we calculate single values. Then we calculate orthogonal vector, orthogonal matrix U. I want to share algorithm of single value decomposition. Algorithm to find single value decomposition of any non-zero matrix. What is the first method is to find eigenvalue of A transpose A or A transpose A. Then we calculate the value of, then we calculate the eigenvalue of this matrix. Okay? Then we calculate the eigenvector corresponding to X is the eigenvector. If we take this step, then we get first row of V, ith row of G. Similarly, to find singular value, if we solve this expression AVI norm, then we get first singular value, I a singular value, where sigma represent diagonal entry of diagonal matrix T, where sigma represent it's present the diagonal entry of matrix D. To find ith column of U matrix as follows these formulas. I want to share with example U. This is example. First example, we have A, then we calculate A transpose A, this one, which is clearly symmetric. Then we calculate for eigenvalue determinant of this one equal to 0. Then we have these two value of these two eigenvalue. Then we want to calculate in step 2 eigenvector as follows. For first one, lambda 1 equal to 3, then we get this equation, this vector x1 equal to 1. Similarly, for lambda 2 is equal to 1, we have same x2. Then we calculate v1. V1 as follows this one, x1 divided by x1 को norm, v2 is equal to x2 divided by x2 को norm, x2 norm. Then we have v1 v2, where v1 is first column of v and v2 is first column of v. And clearly now that first column is orthogonal, first column is orthonormal to second column, and second column is orthonormal to first column. Step 3, we calculate single value decomposition. We use this formula. First we calculate AV1, which will give this, then we get norm, which is equal to sigma 1. Then we get similarly sigma 2, this is a sigma 2. Same pattern. Then we get diagonal matrix this one. Then we calculate U. For U, we follow this one, U1 equal to this one. Similarly, calculate U2. Then we calculate U. Clearly, first column of U2 is logarithmic. Actually, we have this is the decomposition, but we have not that. We have a 3 cross 2 matrix. It means that 3 columns, the 3 rows and 2 columns. So this matrix must be 3 cross 3. So then we will calculate other row of. Then we calculate other column of this matrix. Then we have completed the solve. For this we have the solver. We know that this column on the orthogonal. So we have first row is first column is orthogonal to second. Second is also orthogonal to third one. Then we calculate this matrix. By solving, we have U3 after getting V norm. This one. Then we get which is U3 represent the third column of U. How to follow this one? We solve simultaneously these two equations. Then we will get this equation. We suppose that U is equal to minus V equal to W equal to 0, equal to W is equal to 1, which is arbitrarily suppose W equal to 1. And secondly this one. Then we get U is equal to minus 1. Then we get this equation. Now you can clearly note that first row is first column is orthogonal to second column is orthogonal to third, and third column is orthogonal to first one. Then we get this decompositions. This is the second example. We first calculate A transpose A, then we calculate eigenvalue. This gives this. Then we calculate eigenvector for lambda is equal to 80, for lambda is equal to. Then we calculate this follows V1 and V2 as follows. Step 3, we calculate single value for V by using this formula. First we calculate A V1, then we take norm, then we get sigma 1. Similarly sigma 2, this sigma 2, then we get matrix D. Now we can find out we want to interested in U1. U1 as far as this one, all numerical work AV1 first calculate, then sigma 1, this we have. Then similarly U2, then we get U. Then this is a whole decomposition is required. Thanks to all of you. I hope you can understand. If not understand, then comments